welcome to Young Kids League A1 YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button down below and turn on the bell icon. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section.
So brothers and sisters, panopo tuafika ni panembenembe. Panopo tuafika tenchita ya kuchenza kukarurushi. Mwebena karurushi tenchita ya kuchenza ino. Nishita ya kwe bati mwae baba kashiberu nabana na babururu benu. Ukwamba kubalangisha ya kuvota. Because kuri abana baka mkuvota for the first time. So nalambo kubishita educate. Nalakwa tenchita ya kubikama posters kunu moku. Nalabikama posters kunu ma so that nde son tapo. Kumilangishe lampe for le moneka. Tuwali mumfifi. Nomba urubuto na luisa. Mwana ni mfifi tuwalimo. Iya kuikata ba itithi na wakubale ruwala. Bale wega tuko bika maseozi. Ni mfifi shiria. Tuwali kwete. Abena kambudi abasha kwa tamilandu. Kambudi adela na fefishinka. Bali kumuntola kujere. Kambudi adela na fefishinka fichifika. Bamutola kujere. Munia zulu. Alela nda pari corruption. Aba mutwele kujere. Aba mutwele kukoti. Na kukoti tabaile ku. Badi muni azuru bari mutwala kujere. Umuntu alando kwe bati in this government there is corruption. Ulawi ni omuntu leta kompen bari corruption. Oba ika tabatola kujere. Nomba ichalo chesu. Nishitea kuisa. Jeje banda. Badi ali butuka ali ya mfialo. Tapadi po omuntu wale butuka tamu ya PF. Imanu omwambali butuka. Akakaya katali tumfula tikalibwela. Kulinga nakalimbusha. Tule umfa tikalibwela. Efa tule umfa titali alibwela. Efa filipanani pa social media. Balela ndatio tali alibwela. So twala mona. Ifi alatisika kaili. Tali alibutuike. Elu wabutuike. Fisha shile before tala butuka. Unontumule statu muntu. Ngapange milando ambo kusapota UPND. Muamuleka. Umuntu abana ankwe abana abo bambi abali kuma kampeni abena binu ompundu kula foku bekata nani uyo mao sampa ala kukoti nano yako same imilandu. So we are looking at the injustice that has happened under the UPND government. This is a useless government. It's a government of liars. Chibuteko chabufi. Chibuteko chaburo umulinganya. Umuntu atuka abantu abakuru apula at they have got poverty mind. No muikata. That is hate speech. No muikata. Pantu is part of UPND. Umuntu ayeba banani. Ayeba bakatolika. Kulando kweba tiniba Lucifer. No muikata. That is hate speech. Apachiri alenda. But ulio wakunani ulio wakubwengwa ulio MP. Former MP ulio. Alan Dilatshan. Ayebelo kweba the Catholic whatever they are criminals. That was hate speech. Tabamu ikata. Uliomu haichewa kunani ukusolu wezi kula kunosi Western Province. Ale tukaba former president. Ukulando kwebati. Baka bachitasa musaizi. Kutuwa la fula ba former president. Umu haiche ulia. That was hate speech. Umu salula no muikata. Ifibu okorofia ale tukana. Bari haba haichaba tumpa na chama America ka ground. Bale tukana. Tababe ikata up to this time. Nomba chalo cha kwebati. Haba haicheba tukaba kateka. Bale tukaba kalamba. No be kata. But in a new opposition ule tukana kuikata. So apart to lando kwebati ishtana na ifika iya kulete ubutunguru shubwa la chindika bakalamba. Tulefuwa ubutunguru shubwa la isa ubu akuchindika bakalamba naba ichebonsi tu achindikana. So wherever you are, I just came to tell you that never be cheated twice. Don't be cheated twice. Mekamibepa na kaidi. Akainde 2019, 2020, 2021 ale imyo tuma cooking oil tuma plastic alela ndo kwebati ngana isa cooking oil kachipa cooking oil ali dola 5 liters. How much are you buying? Kalaka 750 mils nishinga muleshi. You are going to believe me that if into $50, don't allow akainde chema to cheat you twice. Ba mutaleba mito forever. Don't allow her to cheat you twice. Mweba ku Northern Province. Na mwisho hapa kuvotea nipa Nyali. nipera mpya pa kuvotera mweba kumuchinga aba mayo bale sensebuka ba imitofo lyabo bale sensebuka mundeke. Don't make a mistake. You the people of Muchinga province mwebe na mpika. Don't make a mistake. Mweba kula vushimanda. Mweba muka nchivia. Mweba kwa mpepo. Mweba mchinsadi. Mshuwa ngando. Mwema mwisoka muna konde. Beka mibe paba. Let them not cheat you twice. You make a mistake. Mukalaka na fertilizer mtukopo. Nga mulefu wakula kutusako ndiyo kulaka na fertilizer mtukopo. Muma meda. Vote for them. Nga mulefu afiwa ikafike 50 kwacha perita. Muka bavotere. These people, they don't care. Don't give them don't give them votes. They never cared for you. Mikapanga na mistake. Ya kweba chulu chelo mwabuka mwambo kuvotela abantu aba ona ule chalo. You the people of Northern Province. Baba ukasama, mweba kumbala, mweba kuruwingu, mweba kuruwingu. Mweba kuna kumpurungu ya mkombea mama. Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake to vote for UPND. You vote for UPND, you are gone. You are in a fertilizer mali yaka la mtukopo, mkalaka la mtukopo. Mweba kumpanga ya mambo, kumbala. Mweba kusenga you. Don't make a mistake. Kwa mkuvote pa UPND. Mukachula, kuchula fu mwachula. Loleche nife PF ya bombele. Yali mipangiro musebo wa kufuma pa Mbala Junction. Kuya kuna konde third road. Ba MMD barikere, ba UNIP barikere, tabamipangire tamak. So don't make a mistake and vote for this failed government. Chibuteko chancellor. You the people of Luapula, mweba kuncherenge, wakaputa, wherever you are. Mweba mumansa, mweba musanfia. Tenshite ya kuchensa ino. Tenshite ya kuya mvotela, bantu abaletele nsala. You know the life that you have gone through. You the poor people of Luapula, you know. Nga tulefu mapasele nje, tuafika pa nani pala, tuafika pasele nje. Tuafika pa mkando. Tulesa pa mkuku bridge. Tutalodiria. Mwani muna musawafu wao naika. 5 years akainde ichi matai katako. And you want to think of voting akainde ichi leba. Nishimulefu wako na ule charo. You the poor people of Luapula. Chen tubalangi abati, you know how to vote. You voted them in 2021. You the poor people, you the good people of Northern Province Muchinga, you voted them. Mwariba voted yaba, takwadi atiyoto maba voted ba UPND, mwariba voted. But they have failed, bade angashe na mamumichanga. So don't make a mistake. You the good people of Muchinga, you the good people of Northern Province Luapula, to vote for this failed government. You the good people of Eastern Province. Mwarimona ba heti kalungu efo basha mu Eastern Province. Ubuteko obwa kwete oluse bwale Mr. Soya Beans 12 kwacha 50 ngwe ubuteko obwa kwete oluse bwale chebwa mipangira chipata district hospital ama hospitals ama mini hospital doku mipela ma hospitals across Eastern Province. Mwani monezo balungu basho musebo from Ruangwa kusuka muchipata doku panga chipata city na mutamutasha ba muri bwanji. Mwana nife ba PF basha Eastern Province chipata for you to be called the city. Mwani mwana miso ba rungu bashire mu town mu chipata muda. Chipata mwali sanguka abantu. Don't make a mistake to vote UPND. Mweba kwachi amata mumfwa. Ba PF ambiyo kumipanga na ma township roads. Bamba no kupanga omusebo. Uwafuma kuchama ukuisa kunani kuchadiza. Mwaba fumi hapo. Nomba loleshe nefe mule chura ufuma mucha diza kupita mucha safe ukuyafika kuna kwa chama mpita murukungu PF yambire kumipangiro musebo PF yambire kupango yabipangira ma township road mwa chama tamwali misebo bamipangira ma drainage bamibikira na mesh. You never reset mwale mkuvotero obuteko bwali mirekeresha mumeneka kwati mwikala ku Malawi. So we want a government that will come. Abena brand mundubile na makebizu ilibareisa. Bali ngile basa push omusebo. Uro wakufuma pa nani pa matumbo. Pa chinsari kupita kusa kuchapa kwa chama. Tulefa udo musebo ukachite connect. From chama ukafika mulundazi. Lundazi chipata. So tatulefu amangaro ngamulefu amukale chula mukalenda mu gravel for another 5 years mukabavotere aba. This UPND, they don't care. They never cared for you, the people of Eastern Province. Fuaka ile bora. Muriadi mafuaka ile bora. So ya beans akainde eche manobu teko wakwe. Bada ishta pai 6 quarter, 7 quarter pe kg. Look the way you suffer. Kuni maswaya beans. But PF, in 2021, 2020, mwalesha soya beans, 12 quarter 50 ngwe. Lelo bale mishta, 7 quarter pe kg. So you the people of Eastern Province, tenshte akuche insaino. You vote for UPND, you are gone. Mukaishika. Mukalandata kwa diabantu abalelanda. Mukalandata kwa diabantu abalelanda. You the poor people of Chadiza, you know what I'm talking about. Mweba kuzemba. When you are in Zemba in Chadiza, mulima fuaka. See the way you have suffered in a fuaka. Tuma senda fuaka ufuma kunani. Kufuma ku Eastern Province ukuileta ku Lusaka. Mwambo kulala ku Lusaka. Capital is a warrior. You are not paid on time. So you the good people of Eastern Province, you know what I'm talking about. Taturete kusamwa. Toka mkuvoto kusamwa. Don't forget the suffering that you have gone for 5 years. Muikalaba. Because the problem mwebana Zambia mulalaba. You want to go for another 5 years mukalechula. Kulenda fuma gravel. Ama bridge na nikucha diza yali toba ikane mfula. So you want to go for another 5 years. The UPND, they have failed to repair bridges in Chadiza. This is a useless government. So don't go for another useless government for another 5 years. Ngani kuchadiza oko takuwa bako nama damu ya kunuisha mwengombe. Mwana ni ngombe sho mwateka. Ela ukabe chilala. Ngombe shika fwashonzi. So mweba ku Eastern Province pa kuvota. Tule vote la pa nyari pe lampi. Ma ilonkala milangishe lampi for the moneka. I want to go in town and buy nyari. Na ama posters. Nambi yoko milangisha. Because tatulefa mga pange mistake. Ati tuwa ishiwa pa kuvotela. Tulela ndani pa nyari pe lampi. Le lampi liya. Nga wabika mfio ya kamule tamba. Nga wabika mparafini wa asha ya ure. Na wabika la munga nda mune mweleka buino. Epo tule votela. Bela mibe paba di bonsa ba kesa. George kwa votela pani chinshi. Mwika panga na mistake. Ukuvota nomba nipali nyari. Nipali brani mundubire. Mwikapanga na mistake. Mweba mkopa belt. Mwikapanga na mistake. Bakopa belt. Na mmono buchushi mwapitamo. Mwalimo nezo ba PF bashire. Bapangile kopa belt. Ndani mundola. Mulea kumushiri. Takuwa di tamaki kuya. Ba PF bashe bapanga tamaki. Fuma pameni masala. Kuya fika kumushiri. Fio ndela de la mwisho fio ndela de mweba kopa belt. Mweba mundola. Chile fwa ake mga pange mistake mweba mundola. Pantu mula samwa. Sometimes mwamukusama mkuvota. Mwana ni ubuchushi mwapitamo. Indola yaba kwa chima lipite chua. Mula nduwa nsala. Don't make a mistake. Mwana if PF yabo mbele. Mwale kwa tendalama. Aba pa masala market mwale kwa tendalama. Si yofo mwali broker. Bonse mule tamba. Tapapo mtuwa kwa tendalama. Lolesha nifo PF ya shidwe umusebo from Chingola to Kitwe. Lolesha ni musaba PF oba pangire from Chingola to Solwezi. Tima chako mpea Lusaka na ndio kale jua kamusebo kama bakainde bafiro kupusha. Akainde ufiro kupusha ndio kale jua from Lusaka kuyafika munani mundola afirwa. Ale ponta pali airport yo balungu bapangire. Ale landa sausage. Number 5 years down the line, alifiro kupanga pango ya potimo, alifirwa. So this is the person you want to give this failure another 5 years. You have to be very serious as a nation. You have to be very serious as a nation. Akainde Echidema is a failure. Akainde Echidema is a liar. So don't make a mistake to go another 5 years of suffering. Nishmulefo kufwa. Mwefa mkale senda masaka pamitwe. Mkale tolo tukopo tulaba ichiba senda masaka. Atiyo tila musa kuma disposable. Onse mkale senda masaka. Mlandi wansala. Mkale tolo tukopo tuwa madrink. Ba kukarurushi mwalishi wevo PF yabo. Mbele mkarurushi. PF yalisha yali mipangile miso mkarurushi. Mwali yaba chula mkarurushi. para 7 shaft nga tulafuma Karuru tulafuma ukitwe tuafika pa 7 shaft para pa old mine ba PF basha bapanga omusebo from Karurushi to Chambishi Tamaki bapanga shortcut pa nga ndebe pa mukane ba PF basha bamipangiro omusebo apo pa Karurushi land about pa market up tulepita pa Catholic Church bali mishira bali mpangiro omusebo Tamaki nga tulefuma pa St. Francis Catholic apo kukarurushi tulea kuzamukire bali shabali panga Tamaki nga ndebe pa mukane mwe ba kukarurushi bali shabali mpangiro omusebo from ukufuma muchiburuma umusebo oda wale pela pampela atala epo wale pela omusebo nga tulefuma ku karurushi tulea ku depo nangu tulea ku chipupushi nangu tulea kuskula using that same parody ya kupita karurushi bali shabali pango musebo ba PF no mecho mwalefu achishi mwalefu obuchushi echo mwalefu obuchushi niyanga ama boarding school ba PF obasha ba anshika akainde echilema ale panga tuma 1/3 classroom atiyo that is CDF yarama class ngomre panga boarding school papa ma classroom yanga akainde ale panga 1 classroom 1/3 classroom every constituency apanga muka 1/3 atira panga ma school kwangala kubuta kulya ngamula umfati kubuta kulya teach mule butane charo from 1964 mule panga ma 1/3 classroom isati mule panga ma boarding school abana bali ku boarding school you go and put a 1/3 classroom at your three panga ma school kun ala ma structures o mule panga chabe if you shakosa why are you behaving like this kuna una ule ndama shacharo because when you are driving from Ruwingu mule akuchaba mule akuchirubi mwana musange ba PF baisha bali panga ama mini hospital baisha bali panga mini hospital. When you are driving from Ruwingu you are going in kuchaba kuchirubi mwana musange ba PF baisha bali panga mini hospital kuchirubi pampanga po bapanga chipatala chikamba ba PF before tamanafika pa chipatala bali shabali biala boarding school babika na manga ndama teachers bakura ma classroom na ma dormitories ya abana barelala nomba ka inde echile no uteko bwakwe bali amukupanga 1/3 classroom at yo CDF. What nonsense is that? Tulefwa ubuteko bwakupanga ma boarding school tetule panga 1/3 classroom abana bakala na ma toilet no panga you murabula abana bale panga ma classroom ayengi bapanga boarding school babika ngani pampanga babika na sola abayiche bale sambirira abana ile takata abana abengi ku boarding school bali wamkupanga 1/3 classroom elo lela ndati CDF ile bomba if ya mukolonyo file ma classroom ya mukolonyo. Why are you behaving like this? You the Zambian people stop supporting nonsense. Yalama classroom abale panga ma 1/3 classroom ni mukolonyo ba muisala bale sambilisha abantu baya panga ka 1/3 classroom because population yali inono ba muisala bale panga ma 1/3 because population yali inono nomba this time abana bali fula wamuku panga 1/3 classroom nokulala ndo kwebati it's a game changer. Zambian people, you need a government that is going to build the boarding schools for children. You need a government that is going to stop the nonsense of high cost of living. You need a government that is going to reduce the high prices of staple food. When you go to Tanzania, if you could have cheaper. You go to South Africa, if you could have cheaper. You go to America, if you could have cheaper. If you have bantu, aka India is if you could have dorish. What you want someone from government? So don't allow Akainde Ichilema to cheat you twice. Gebweke sharp. Akainde Ichilema should not cheat you twice. You the people of Sorwezi. Padi mwaba kusorwezi kunosu western kuna kwa problem. Mulaenda mfuma gravel fya unaika. Kwa di mama mine kunosu western province. But you look, kunosu western province, there's nothing that has happened. You cannot compare by PF. Bari shileba pango musebo. From Chingola to Sorwezi. This time ngatule pango musebo. Sorwezi to Mwinirunga. Marifumisha po buteko bwa kwa tamano. But all is well. Because Abela Zambia, he wanted now to know the truth about Hakainde Hichilema, that he's a liar. HH is a liar. I remember few ikaba 17, 12 kwacha, if you have few yari chipe 17 kwacha perita, Hakainde Hichilema runda fuel. Show say if you have Hakainde Hichilema remember to bunga bwali dola. Mwale chula. You were complaining to bunga 120. Hakainde Hichilema bunga fikarunda. You want to vote for him. You should not forget now the chalo. Sometimes ukuvotera abantu tekulolesha pampumi ya muntu kulolesha pali leadership. If you want Northwestern to be the way it is for the past 5 years, vote UPND. Ngamurefu to continue living in gravel lots in Northwestern province. Mwalikwata gold, mwalikwata copper. You are still suffering in Northwestern province. Who has witched us as Zambians? Therefore, I hope to take Obukesa. Obukesa mukupanga ma roads. Kuna pange misebo in Northwestern province. Therefore, I hope to take Obukesa. Ubukala send denda na kuma miners. Kuri abama investors. Bakala mipangire patala. Kuma Northwestern province. Mwalikwata copper. Mwalikwata mikuba ku Northwestern. Na mwalikwata la gold. But look at your roads. Hakainde Hichilema cheated you in 2021. He has come back to cheat you. You are crapping. Icho mrefu obuchushi. Time has come for you to change the government. You, the good people of Western Province, you know, PF of Yabombele Western Province, Mulei Muena, PF Yarishari Panga, more than 22 bridges in Western Province. Hakainde Hichilema, so Nteniko Bridge ya Panga Hakainde Hichilema for the past 5 years. PF Yarishari Panga, the most expensive bridge in this country, in Western Province, most expensive bridge. PF ya pangile ama bridge kupita Perungu. PF ya shapanga omusebo ku Western Province. Show what Hakainde Hichilema in the 5 years what he has done. Alisano kupanga Livingstone to Sesheke Road. Ero arebe pobu fiapa kwa shalama deza nono. Atinati fumie ndarama. Isha kupanga omusebo to Livingstone Sesheke Road. Never be cheated twice. Never be cheated twice, buddy. Kuri Hakainde Hichilema. If you want to suffer, support Hakainde Hichilema. If you want to go for another 5 years of road shedding, support Hakainde Hichilema. Because Hakainde Hichilema does not care. And they don't care. Echo bafwa kula kwela filafi ndeke. Bale kwele ndeke. No kuna itwa tiyoli ba vice president. Look, what has he done? Balaba mayewa mutale. You can't compare ba vice president ba mutale na ba inonge winner. If you inonge winner na ba Edgar Lungu ba tekele chalo. You can't compare inonge winner na ba Edgar Chagalungu fu ba tekele chalo. Na ba mutale na Hakainde Hichilema ba imitofole. You the good people of Western Province, you know ba inonge winner, a woman that you produced as a vice president. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You are able to point at Western Province, all by Inonge winner by vice president, by Inonge winner by Shabari Pangama boarding school, Western Province, by Inonge winner by Shabari Panga 22 bridges in Western Province under the patriotic front by Edgar Lungu. You go to Kaputa, you go from Mutale, you go in Ruapula, you go in Northern Province from Mutale Fuma. Let her point what she has done there. But look at the vice president by Inonge winner, everybody by Inonge winner. Look at Western Province. Western Province, because there was a vice president who stood with the Zambian people and the people of the good people of Western Province. So if I'm cheating, you can compare by Inonge winner, naba imitofore. You compare by Mutaleko Bafuba. Echo bachitako muri 5 years. We shall compare by Inonge winner 5 years. If I can about Edgar Chagalungu, Western Province of Babombele. Leadership, akabe ichwe mbachilanda ati akachila kambush kasengule pokekele. Akachila kambush kasengule pokekele. You compare ba vice president ba mutale ba imitofole. Na ba Inonge winner, go Inonge winner. That woman, God bless you. Desale mi para mayo. You are a good vice president who stood with the Zambian people. Obama wakati katuishi. Niba imitofore. Niba increasing order to reduce. So I am talking to you, my brothers and sisters in Western Province. We are voting on 13th August. Not to come vote Musamwa. Not to come vote Musamwa. We need to see Western Province is developing. We need to see Western Province to be developed. Vice President. Western Province, Barungu. More than Western Province, bridge, Barungu bridge. You go to kwafuma ba mama ba inonge kwafuma ba inonge wina no kwafuma ba mama ba imitofo ba mutale kula ndefe mundeke bu icha shale ndeke abafuntula icha shale ndeke akufuna because we muntu ngabale kweba bombere ni abantu muyamkube pa abantu. You the people who are pula muchinga never be cheated twice. Mweba kuru wa pura beka mibe pana kabiri. Mweba ku Northern Province, mweba ku Muchinga, naba ku Eastern Province, na ku Western Province, never be cheated. Naba ku Northwestern Province. Me, I speak facts because I've been there. You the people of Lusaka. Mweba Murusaka imu, mweba kala Murusaka. Mwarimala, if you're eti kanungu na ba inonge wina babo mbere. Imi yotoka shimbishipita pamuru, shimbishile pita panshi, akainde ichile mepo aishila. Alifilo kupanga ponangu, overbridge imo ida. Nga tulefu mamu, mutawani Murusaka. Tulea kunani tulea wonfya Great East Road. Ba PF ba, eti karungu na ba inonge wina. Ba alishabari panga, overbridge. After Monday upara, panani para pa East Park, para bali shabari panga overbridge. Imi yotoka shimbishipita pamuru, shimbishile pita panshi. Very expensive and very nice bridge. From there again, bali shabari panga, paranda about ya pamunari. When you are going to Kaunda Square, bali shabari panga overbridge. Imi yotoka shimbishile pita pamuru, shimbishile pita panshi. Very good. Akainda ichilema, when you are driving from Levi Mwanawasa Hospital, you are going to Charleston, palapa chikoko pada. Inside ya bige overbridge alifirwa. Imi yotoka padi bako congestion. Why are you keeping Akainde ichile by the government? Mweba kurusaka taturefu amangalo, taturefu kuchensa pa kuvota. Taturefu amangalo babu koruchwe ure chensa. Na uturu munamezo ngaka pale. You have to vote wisely. Tatureyangala pa yo. Donation foba ngolefu makunani, ulefu makuchilanga. Ba PF foba pale ba road accident from Kafua roundabout ukufika muchilanga. Ba PF ba shabari panga umusebo. Ba shabari panga demarcation. Imi yotoka shile pitroku na shimbi shile pitroku takwa ba road accident chali bali just. Ngo mulefu makuchilanga, mulefu makukafiwe. Munaingira mu Lusaka. Pala pali ba mamoya tatu. Pali ba Makeni mo, paba na Cosmopolitan mo, paba na Embassy mo. Paba Embassy mo, Makeni mo, paba na Cosmopolitan. Ama mo ayakuru. Ba PF ba shabari panga overbridge. Imi yotoka shile pita pamuru. Bulaya, ishibi shile pita panshi. Congestion bali pusha ba PF. But look what Akainde Ichilema. What has he done in Lusaka for the past 5 years? You the people of Lusaka panga do carriage way. Zambezi Road, you do carriage way. But PF bali shabari panga do carriage way. Ule ya kukabuata. Ule kabuata tuchilenje. You do carriage way. Ule pita. So, because I'll be coming in the afternoon, I want to come and explain. So that mkuvota mano. Never be cheated twice. Whether you are a civil servant, but civil servant momule chula. Momule chula ba civil servant. Again mkuvotela pa uteko ba buchushi. Ano ba buchushi, taturefa mena Zambia mule chula. Enough is enough. Akainde Ichilema has failed to govern this country. But PF bali shamare for one hospital. You go to Chawama, you go to Kanyama, you go to Matelo, you go to Chipata compound, you go to Chilenje, bali shamare for one hospital. Echo mwarefu wabuchushi, warefu kwa naure, chalo kupela bantu abasha kwa umutima wakuteke chalo. And you want to make another mistake for another 5 years. Mwareka muro shedding. And again you want to vote Akainde Ichilema. We want to vote UPND. Murefu muka vote reba imito fole. Mure ikwatilo lusemwema Zambians. You need to think about your future. Think about where you are coming from and where you are going. Zambia is becoming more poor. Under the leadership of Akainde Ichilema, you have become more poor. When you go to vote, paka mkuvota paja. No tuka mkuvoti na forward, no. Forward kunsala. So I'm advising you, the good people of Southern Province. Kutundu mwesta kwa di ama right. PF ya diletele, rural electrification, ama right mu Southern Province ya ingila kuma rural areas. You the people of Southern Province, ba PF barisha, Karomo Hospital, ba PF barisha bari panga matamaki, munani mu Southern Province. Ba PF barisha bari panga, Telepark to Mazapuka Tamaki. Ba PF barisha bari panga, Zimba to Livingston Tamaki. You know what I'm talking about. Ba PF barisha bari panga, Azuko kuchikangata, ba PF barisha bari panga. Most expensive police station. So mwarefu achish, mwarefu obuchush. Ba PF barisha bari panga modern building muchoma. Ba PF barisha bari panga most expensive bus terminals in Zambia, in Livingstone. Echo mwarefu obuchush. Mweba ku Livingstone. Again muka vote. This time mweba ku Southern Province. Vote wisely. You know what the PF did in Southern Province. Mweba ku Southern Province. Mwareista fertilizer. Pay 650 kwacha. Lelo mwareista shinga fertilizer. So you the people of Southern Province, we are voting this year. Can you vote wisely? Tulefa fertilizer ikachip. Tulefa ubunga buka chipe buka 120. So if you love this country, you the good people of Southern Province, vote wisely. You know what the PF did in Southern Province. Teji mukane, nga tulefu mamunda, pa 7, when we are driving from Patoka, tulefa kuna nikusuna zeze, barisha bari biara ba PF, barisha bari, ama health post barisha. When you go in Mamba there, barisha bari expand Mamba General Hospital. I want to know about Joshua Banda. Tell us your manifesto. Not Chitumbi. Am I talking about Chitumbi? You are a fool. You are not even Banda. You are just using that because Banda bari kwa tamano. So you know Banda, Joshua Banda, you are a fool. Who is talking about Chitumbi? Am I talking about Chitumbi? And if you think Nganuwa Banda wa kwa tamano, Eti Karungu ni Pururu wenu. Eti Karungu came from Eastern Province. Is your brother, is your uncle. So if he's in the mortuary and you are the person who come from Eastern Province, ulela nde fiama sushuri chipuba. Eti Karungu came from Eastern Province, is your uncle. So if you are talking about this nonsense, lande not Chitumbi. Your Eti Karungu came from Eastern Province where Chikopo iwe. Is your uncle, is your brother. Me, I'm coming from the north, the northern circuit. Eti Karungu came from Eastern Province. So if you are insulting your brother, your uncle, you are a fool. If you are happy Eti Karungu to be in the mortuary for 1 year, then you are a fool. They can go broke. To wakesebo panu walitumpa yo. Bali kutumpika kwa wafuma. Wanyamu mpoto wa isa papeji pamwandi na kubroka. To wakesebo hapo. Na kubroka to wakesebo you are a fool. Shila ndala bantu abatumpa ini. Eti Karungu was from Eastern Province. Mwarimu lekeresha. Ali bamu fridge for 1 year. Ulamula kwa tinetu mwambika mfriji 1 year bachiti mkuruba ikara. Ulamula kwa timu mwambika mfriji 1 year bachifu mwambaba bileka. Ulamula kwa timu mwambika mfriji 1 year banani bachifu mpepo, bachifu chikwanda, bachifu kazembe, bara mileka. Iwe. Ulamula kwa timu ikara. Me, I'm a true son of the Bembaland mwaiche. Ine Palopondi, I'm a true son of Bembaland and I'm proud of being a Bemba. Songa chakwe ba tulemula kwa tule angala. Ine ndi mwana wa kwa chiti mkuru. Ndi mwana wa kwa chifu mwamba. Ine ndi mwana wa chifu mpepo. Ine ndi mwana wa chifu kazembe. So ngole mwana kwa chiti. Fila mwa dereleka mwa dereleka. Babula Eti Karungu bamu bika mfriji for 1 year. Ine tati bambike 1 year mfriji. Where I come from, we stand for each other. We love each other. Ula mwana kwa tata kwa temfu mwifu. Tuwali kwa temfu mba chitimu kuruwaba kwa tamano. Tuwali kwa temfu mba mwambaba kwa tamano. Tuwali kwa temfu mba mpepo bachikwanda. Tuwali kwa temfu mba luchembe. Tuwali kwa temfu mba kabinga. Abe karapame nshi mwaiche. Tawa ishiba. Nimbi tabakweba. Bachifu kabinga mwaiche. Be karapame nshi mwaiche. Nga tawa ishiba. Tuwali kwa temfu mshefisha kwa tamano. Ulamala kwa chi inanga nafuwa lero bachifu mpepo bara ikara. Bachikwanda bara ikara. Bachiti mkuru bara ikara. Me, I'm a true son of Bembaland. So yongo lemla kwa chimemba chilandali chimbuku lila. nishipata kwa shintirire nalishintirira matako kuri bachitimu kuline nalishintirira matako kuri ba chifu mpepo kuri ba chikwanda ngora mwana kwati ndi mwana wakunyera kwa mafine. Me, I come from the Pemberland where we are told chimbuku nalishipata kwa shintirire nalishintira kuri bachitimu kuru nalishintira kuri bachifu mwamba nalishintira kuri bachifu mpepo kuri bachikwanda ngora mwana kwati ndi mtsafena mbokulanda. We are not like badaba umuntu wenu bamubika mufriji wanu yemwe alikala zi. Me, I come from the Pemberland ngatawa ishiwa tatiri bamwe bakulinga akachani mwikufi tatiri bamwe bakulinga akachani mwikufi. So me, I'm a true son of the Pemberland. That's why tatutukana hivyo. Because nafuma kumufumu ine. Kumufumu wa chitimu mkuru. Kumufumu wa nani. Waba mwamba. Mwacha wandi. Bari tuwe bati. Abana nganda. Abana. Ishiwe mbatilando kwe bati. Aba ngande mwake noru bararu mwabaria. Ifo tulaka noru bararu mwotuaria. Fweba memba mwacha wandi. Ifo tulasapota. Umuntu wa kwa tamano. Takwa bati yo. Ifo tamu ya kuvota. Ngala tuishi bati umuntu wali kwa tamano. Tula chitashani. Tula bavotera. Efo chaba ifu. Ifo evo tuwaba fwe babemba. Ifo ababemba tufayo umuntu wa kwa tamano. Nga tuwamana tuyo umuntu wali kwa tamano. Kumu chitashani kumuvotera. 2021 we voted for takwa dati toto vote atwali votere. Elonga mwalolesha. Ifo the good part of us. Ndela nepali ifo nomba. Which is not tribalism. But eti karumu bale from Eastern province. But ababemba bali votere. Bakainde bale from Southern province. Ababemba bali votere. That's how we are. Ifo tuwaba. Tatuwa kwa ta jealousy. Tatuwa kwa ta tribalism. But eti karungu baimina from Eastern province. Ababemba bali votere. Bale ba vota. Bakainde chilema from Southern province. Ababemba bali votere. That's how we are. Tatuwa kwa ta jealousy ifo. Tatuwa kwa ta jealousy yopantu. Umubemba kanabali mirire. Tatuwa muvotere. Tuachiriawe ukweti amanika inde. Ababemba ba vota. That's how we are. Iwo fwe babemba tuwakwata mchisha chinani. Pantu walishiba tusu ngomu na ango teishibikwa. Efe chubemba chilanda. So, ifuna tuwakwata jealous. Akainde na eti karungu. 2021 weba iminini. Ababemba tuwale vota. Eti karungu na bakainde. Tatuwakwata tribalism. Tatuwakwata tribalism. Ote tuwakwata jealous. You ask yourselves, 2021, but eti karungu came from Eastern province. Bakainde from Southern province. We the Bembas. We voted them. Because tatakwata jealous. Tatakwata jealous ifwe. Ifwe tulolesha pa muntu kweti amano. Ababemba batila barungu batekako. Na kainde nena atekeko. Change mupena mavoti. That's how we are. Tatakwata jealous. Abena kana babali minine. Batila awo bani. O tule mwana po kweti amano. Nikainde. Change muvotere. Ababemba ruwa pula yonse. Northern province muchinga. Nga mwakuru wa pula. Nga mwakuru Northern province. Nga muambala, mwakuna musengayu, mwana munani, mwana mumpurungu. Bayu PND bari winine as members of parliament. They were voted there as members of parliament for the first time. So you can't appreciate us that to talk about tribalism. So don't come here and start insulting me. I'll open up a Palandola box. To talk about jealous for Babemba. That's why tatutukana. If we speak the truth. Bakainde na eti karungu. Eba iminine. Fwe babemba tuwatile tulaba support ati. Bantu. One Zambia, one nation. Ba eti karungu. Ba president. Tuwali ba votere. Babako bakateka. Bakainde. Tuwa ba votera. Simple as that. So if we talk about jealous, to talk about mpaturu, we have got no tribalism. Because we vote according to when we see. This is a good leader. That's how we vote. And I want to encourage you, my brothers and sisters, wherever you are. Let us not do politics of tribalism. Hello? Hello, Sean. Hello, Bagambala. I'm even winding up in the Pamela Basap. London Canavesa. Kulishan kumesu kumungu kama. Kulishan kwa aye kumesu. Mkwai.
Umuntu usha kwa tamano ngomona kwa tito mleranda takweta amano atiri ashimleranda kwapo eri ashiya chitumbiyo njama baleranda bapanda aboteba banda bapose nyeni ko fiena amano aboteba banda balekwa okubishita bya interactive program byo mleranda ko ibo fyamano fyakwe batu umuntu akwata amano nangu ifubene kuno kwese province ngatwali kwata amano tukwire twatontokanya usheba president yeso kubaishira kuno ko twale bate twali bate mwa twali bagote kuno kwese bati position katwati tumone mwishe kuno mbu ya mkeshe mona pesa mona kwa twali kondo ndero ya kwire pya pande kwa pi
Okay, I've lost that call. I stand on the truth. When we are voting for a leader, in this country there's what you call tribalism. But where I come from, we don't vote a leader because this person is coming from Bembaland. If we vote abantu abakwatamano. That's why 2021 ba Eti Karungu na Bakainde bonse twaliba voted. Because if you don't jealous, if vote for Intunguru Shia Kwatamano, regardless of which province where they're coming from, Kwasila, Kwamana, ever to 5. If we go to ever to Kabwesho Bunga, whether you are coming from heaven, you are coming from wherever, we are going to vote for you. Simple as that. So if we have to know that we are tribal, we are not tribal. How? If we vote, by Eti Karungu of the Western province, to a supporter. Bakainde bafuma ku Southern province to a supporter. Why? Because bakapwepo na bakaunda bala ndile one Zambia, one nation. So if we babemba tatwa kwa tribalism, we vote with love and respect. Kwasira because bakaunda bafumine kuchinsali bakapwepo bafumine kuchinsali bali tuwebere ati for this country to develop you are one people bali tuweba kuzungomu nankwe teshibikwa efe bakapwepo batweba na bakaunda na bachitimu kulofe batweba usungo munango teshibikwa kuti wasango omutonga akwafwa umubemba akwafwa karubale akwafwa umulozi akwafwa. We are one people. Travile chanda uwafwa munango teshibikwa na leadership efo yaba kuri ifwe pantu uri wonse kuti angafwa ini. I've got friends who are Tongas, I've got friends who are Lozis, I've got friends who are from Eastern Province. We help each other, we love each other, we share ideas. Sometimes nangushukwe tendalama ndabatumina nangulawo nyo mwache matomola mukamwipushe ngatwakumana turaseka ura matomola wa UPND turakumana so pa filling station twa parking okuna na parking twamba no kula nderiash twalanda twaseka ainga muri motoka na. We know that uwa formu nangwe teshibikwa. That's how it is. Twasuka pa filling station twice twaseka imwe tulami winner awo twali winner mu 2021 na tulami winner tulafine mwaseka matomola uromo echoudya uro post mwakumana pa filling station mwaseka. Sometimes nakumana na pakoti comrade filishani finjwa tatulesunka tulesunka. That's how we live because we are one people. Ngamule umfefyo ndelanda. So this is not the time to divide ourselves. This is the time to come together and choose good leaders regardless of the tribes. Umuntu kwetamano muvotereni whether mulozi mutonga nikarubale mubemba mulenje musori wakuchipata mungoni if that naba kwatamano akuta develop chinwe chalo vote for them but abashikwetamano bafumiyeni without looking at a tribe because the tribe will never build this country. It is you, the Zambian people, to come together and build this country for the future and the younger generation. Imitundu shonse shirefaika tirafine mapokeri obuntungu abatonga babemba bakarubali abalozi na balenje bonse mwali katene. This is the way you are supposed to work together. Even this ama election ukwabula kutontonganya ukwabula kupaturula the way the Bembas were in between. Give the example babemba when they were in between supporting Bakainde Chilema, supporting ba Edgar Chagwarungu. The way the losses were, they supported by Edgar Lungu, they supported by Hakainde Hichilema. The way the Tongas were, they supported Hakainde Hichilema and also Edgar Lungu. It is not everyone who voted Hakainde Hichilema. No. All the tribes, they participated. When choosing a leader, all of you have to come together without looking at a tribe, without tribalism. Choose leaders that are going to take this country forward. Leaders that are going to make this country a better place for all of us. Without looking at a tribe. Without killing each other, without insulting one another. There is a future after general election. Don't kill yourselves through violence. Mulibanga ndaimo. Ababe mbaba tonga ba karubale. Eat together mulibanga ndaimo. Never be separated by politicians who are criminals. Don't allow the politician to separate you, the Tongas and Bembas. You love each other. You the Lozis and the Karubales and you the Kaonde and the Ngonis and the Chewa. You are one people. Don't allow these criminals to separate you from the love that God has given you. You are one people. Continue loving one another. Continue supporting people who can take this country forward. Never destroy this country in the name of supporting a person because he's coming from your area. That is a mistake. Muikalasala abantu pantu bari pena abekateka pantu afune kunganda afuma ku province kumienu pantu afuma mu district mumienu pantu afuma mu constituency mumienu ari pena issue. Yo, because the issue really an issue to no. Vote leaders that are going to develop this country. We need infrastructure. We need hospitals in Southern Province. We need the schools in Western Province. We need roads in Western Province. We need roads in Northwestern Province. We need the health post. We need the Gen Hospital in Northwestern Province. We need Bangweulu Hospital to be completed, which the PF they started. We need that hospital, Bangweulu Hospital, in Luwingu. We want to see the youths who have got no employment to get employment. We want to see farming. That's what we are fighting for. This is the message. So never be cheated by Hakainde Hichilema na ba imi tofore bakwe. If you compare Edgar Lungu na ba inonge winner, Hakainde Hichilema na ba imi tofore, compare yourselves. Time has come for you to vote wise. Not to grab vote, vote. Pantu ba mutale ba imi tofore ba fumoku. Pantu ya fumoku. Look what their caliber. Look what